Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide phone number on Telegram. Okay, first of all, let's just open our Telegram application on our phone. And after we have our Telegram application opened, we can tap on this three lines button and click on the settings option right here. And on the settings, we can select privacy and security. Okay, and if you want to hide your phone number, you can tap on the phone number option, and here you can manage who can see your phone number. And now as you can see that everybody can see my phone number, and I'm going to hide my phone number from everybody, so we can tap on nobody. Okay, and after that we can click on this check mark button to save the setting. Okay, and now my phone number will be hidden on my Telegram. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide phone number on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.